Hello guys, in this video we are going to download and install Android Studio on Windows 11 operating system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your browser and write down here Android Studio download. Here you can see the Android Studio download. Click on it. Here you can see the latest Android Studio Meerkat feature drop. Click on it. You have to checkbox this. I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions. Click on it and click download Android Studio. It will start downloading. It will take some time to download. The download is completed. Here you can see the Android Studio. Here you can see the installation window of Android Studio setup. Click here next, which will be installed on this device, Android virtual device and Android Studio. Click here next. And this is the destination folder. Keep it as default. Click next and click install. Now it will take some time to install the Android Studio setup. Now you can see the installation is complete. Click here next and click finish and it will start the Android Studio. It shows the help improve Android Studio to send the data to the Google, but here we can click don't send. Now it has launched the Android Studio welcome window. Here we can click on more actions. Now you can see here virtual device manager. Click on it. Here you can see no device is connected. We can create a virtual device here. Click create. And here you can choose the image you want to select, like Pixel 9 Pro XL. Anyone you can choose, but I want to choose this tablet one and choose here this one Pixel tablet and click next. Click here this image and click here finish and it will start. Now we can start it. It will take some time to launch this emulator. Here you can see we have here the emulator of Android tablet, and here you can see the power button. Click on it and it will start up this Android tablet. It depends upon your configuration of your computer. If you have a high processing power, it will take lesser time, but if you have a low processing power, it will take some time. So be patient. Here now you can see the Android has been launched. Now here Play Store you can enter it, and here you can sign in with your email and password, and then after you can download any Android app you want to download. Now you can see this Android emulator is working fine. We have configured the Play Store as well. We have entered all username and password credentials, and you can see we have installed the GeoStar and it's working fine. And this way you can download and install Android Studio on Windows 11 operating system. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.